Hey guys, Blizzard Peak here. Hope you're all doing good. I got a review here today. Gonna be trying Nature Valley Crunchy Limited Edition Flavor Pumpkin Spice Granola Bars. Sorry, limited edition flavor. Let's give this a try. It says serving size 2 bars, 6 servings per container. There's like 6 packets with 2 bars in each one. Anyway, serving size 2 bars, calories 190, 7 grams fat, 2 grams of dietary fiber, 10 grams sugar, 3 grams of protein. Ingredients include whole grain oats, sugar, canola oil, rice flour, pumpkin flakes, brown sugar, syrup, maltodextrin, corn flour, spices, salt, soy lecithin, baking soda, and natural flavor. Distributed by General Mills Sales Incorporation, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Anyway, let's give these a try. Limited edition pumpkin spice granola bars. Happy November, by the way. It's November 2nd today. Got the election here in 3 days. At least all the political ads will stop afterwards, but yeah, we'll see how things go on election day. Should be interesting. But anyway, we're reviewing granola bars, not talking politics. Pumpkin spice Nature Valley crunchy granola bars. Let's open one of these and give it a try. Pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice, pumpkin spice. Oh, we just like tore that open. They look pretty much like the standard ones do, but definitely have that pumpkin spice scent to them. I just break off a piece. Oh, it's getting everywhere. That was dumb. Anyway, pumpkin spice flavored Nature Valley crunchy granola bar. Pretty good. I get the pumpkin spice flavor. I also get maybe like a brown sugar or cinnamon. I'm pretty sure brown sugar was listed on here. Was it not? Yep, brown sugar syrup. That's what it's gotta be. Pretty solid. Pumpkin spice flavored Nature Valley granola bars. I like them, guys. Leave a comment down below if you've tried them. If there's a flavor. Oh yeah, if there's a flavor of granola bar you want to see me review, comment down below. If there's a drink or snack you want to see me try, leave a comment and I will try to get to it. Thanks for watching the video, and thank you for supporting the channel. I appreciate it. Take care. God bless, and I'll see you all in the next one.